Listen and repeat.
Pencil.
Pencils.
Pen.
Pens.
Book.
Books.
Chair.
Chairs.
Table.
Tables.
Tape.
Tapes.
Recorder.
Recorders.
Student.
Students.
Teacher.
Teachers.
Barber.
Barbers.
Pilot.
Pilots.
Mechanic.
Mechanics.
Doctor.
Doctors.
Nurse.
Nurses. You will hear the singular form, then you record the plural form.
Pencil. Pen. Book. Chair. Table. Tape. Recorder. Student. Teacher. Barber. Pilot. Mechanic. Doctor. Nurse.
Listen and repeat everything you hear.
That's not a pencil. What is it?
That's a book.
That's not a chair. What is it?
That's a table.
That's not a book. What is it?
That's a tape.
You're not a teacher. Who are you?
I'm a student.
She's not a doctor. Who is she?
She's a nurse.
He's not a nurse. What is he?
He's a doctor.
We're not pilots. What are we?
We're students.
They're not mechanics. What are they?
They're barbers.
I'm not a teacher. What am I?
You're a student.